Good morning, my respected teacher and everyone. My name is Leng Reachbot, and today I will be explaining about air resistance and how it works. So before we go deeper into the topic, we must know what air resistance is first. Air resistance is a type of force that acts on a falling object. For example, when gravity is pulling this parachute down, air resistance acts in the opposite direction to try to slow the object down. Another example is an example conducted by the famous scientist Galileo. If you don't know who that is, and he is the person who invented the telescope. So his experiments start by dropping a ball down from a tower, and as you can imagine, the ball will fall, but there is another force acting on it to slow it down, which is air resistance. The force of air resistance depends on how big the surface of the object is. For example, if you drop a paper down, the paper will not fall immediately, it will float and slowly fall. However, if you drop something like a ball down with small airy surface, then it will fall immediately to the ground. So I'm pretty sure you understand what air resistance is now. And that comes to the end of this speaking. Thank you all for listening.